Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Congress NCP battle begins on the eve of crucial coalition meeting. Saligaon becomes bone of contention. Congress claim on Saligaon angers NCP, stay away from Saligaon. Bharti Chauhan tells Congress. Explosion at Karad leads North Goa into darkness for 3 hours. Power Minister Alex Sequeira personally leads restore power supply drive at Altino substation. Diwali preparation and shopping accelerates in the state. Goenkars get busy doing Narkasur. Donations by politicians for Narkasur upset citizens. Ranji Martin's goal wins it for Dempo in the I-League season opener. Disappointing show by defending champs Salgaonkar. And most importantly, we converted our opportunity, says Dempo coach Armando. Salgaonkar coach Ben Sharifa is disappointed. And now the news in detail. One day before the crucial NCP Congress meeting on coalition and seat sharing, war on constituencies has erupted. NCP has said that Saligaon constituency belongs to them and Congress has no right to claim it. Congress desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar on Friday had claimed the constituency for their party.
कि हमारा ये मानना है कि इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी से कांग्रेस पार्टी एक बहुत बड़ी जीत हासिल कर सकती है, इसलिए कांग्रेस को एक टिकट ध्यान दिया जाएगा अपनी पार्टी की.
These were the comments of Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar at Vere on Friday. Vere is part of Saligaon constituency. This claim of the Congress on Saligaon constituency has sent shockwaves in the NCP camp. In 2007 polls, Saligaon was contested by the NCP as per their coalition agreement with the Congress. But NCP's then president, Dr. Willie, lost the election. Now, Congress wants to lay claim on this constituency. NCP's Goa observer Bharti Chauhan has reacted sharply to this claim and has said that Saligaon is NCP's seat and they will not give it to the Congress.
Saligaon is still without a win. Saligaon is NCP's constituency, so there is no question arises.
This war on constituencies has erupted just one day before the crucial NCP Congress meeting on coalition and seat sharing. Senior NCP and Congress leaders will meet in Panji. In 2007 polls, NCP shared 6 seats, whereas Congress contested rest 34. Out of 6 constituencies, NCP won 3 at Vasco, Thivi and Banauli. Now, NCP is focusing on 14 constituencies. These are Mapsa, Thivi, Shioli, Saligaon, Banaule, Vasco, Mandre, Bichole, Daboli or Kuttale, Parwari, Sange, Maye, Priol and Kankon. Many in Congress are not in favor for any alliance with the NCP. Some congressmen feel that their party can come to power without any coalition. Some leaders say if their high command favors alliance, then they would opt for it.
At the instance of high command, if we are forced to accept an alliance, then we cannot do anything about it. We will respectfully obey the orders of the high command. So I think it is for the high command to decide and give us that decision. But we are within our rights to say that we don't want any alliance. We can win on our own strength. We are capable of. We have candidates in all the 40 constituencies.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanulkar, with Laukik Shilkar and video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
Minor explosion at Karad substation restrained North Goa in the dark for nearly 3 hours. Power was restored after at 7:30 p.m. Power Minister Alex Sequeira personally monitored the situation at Altino substation on Saturday evening.
North Goa faced blackout for 3 hours on Saturday evening. Power was restored at around 7:30 in the evening. Power Minister Alex Sequeira, along with his entire team, camped at the Altino substation through these crises. He personally monitored the situation.
There's been a problem at the Karad substation. It's under repairs. There's been some explosion there, to be honest with you. Well, they're on the job. I believe it should take maximum 2 hours, though we hope it will happen before that.
So what are the other options you are finding out to sort out this?
I have no option right now.
Frequent power cut and low voltage has become regular in the state due to the shortage of coal in thermal power plants across the country. But problem at Karad substation added to these woes. A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Diwali is just few days away. Youth and children are gearing up to complete effigies of Narkasur. Markets are flooded with Diwali goodies. MLAs and ministers are on the spree of sponsoring Narkasur as elections are just a few months away. Some people have expressed anger over this trend. Our special report on Diwali market.
People have thronged markets for Diwali shopping. The festival of lights and sweets is just few days away. Markets are flooded with colourful and innovative Akash Dive, Pantio, sweets and fireworks. In older times, people used to prepare Akash Divo at home, but times changed, so has the trends. Now, ready-made Akash Dive are available in the market. Still, we have some who still prepare Akash Divo at home. Some have even erected special stalls for Diwali.
आम्ही 1000 आकाश कंदील करता ते आमची चवथीच्या पयलींच्यान तयारी चालू आसता ही हे करपाक खूब कशी मेहनत आसता एका कटिंग आसता हे सगळे आमी बॉम्बेच्यान हाडटा हे फोली बिली सगळे बॉम्बेच्यान हाडटा आनी हे आमी घडयता सगळे घरा बसून आमची फॅमिली सगळे आमकां हेल्प करता.
Narkasur competitions are held at various places in Goa. Competitions are organized with mega prizes. Various clubs participate in these competitions after spending a huge amount on preparing a Narkasur. Some approach their local MLA or ministers for donations. A good Narkasur cost around 40 to 50,000 rupees.
नात म्हटल्यार एक 15-22 दीस पयलीं आमी तयारी चालू करता. डोनेशन वायज आमी तुमकां एक नात म्हटल्यार एक नरकासूर तुका एक 40 ते 50 हजार येता एक्सपेन्स. डोनेशन सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार येता तशें जितलें जाय पडटा पळय तितलें येता.
Rajendra Bhingi is upset with the donation trend motivated by politicians. He says youth get indulged in intoxications and ruin their future with such political perks.
म्हाका दिसता की राजकीय जे मनीस कोण आसा न्ही तेणी हेजेर खूब विचार करून आनी जे पयशे पळय दिता पळय न्ही तेजेर बंदी हाडपाक जाय. कित्याक तर तुज्या फायद्या खातीर स्वार्था खातीर तूं 50 जाणांची फॅमिलीची वाट लायता की म्हजें ठाम मत आसा की नरकासुराचे जे पळय तुमी पळय आज पळय ते पयशे वाटून आज ते आमच्या भुरग्यांची वाट लायता पळय न्ही ती बंद करपाक जाय.
Methods of celebration might have changed, but the enthusiasm of a Goekar celebrating Diwali has not changed. A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, and video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.